Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to record a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Simplified AI. So to get started, Simplified AI in 2025 stand out as an all-in-one content creation platform. It combines AI writing tools, graphic design, video editing, and social media scheduling in a single workspace. With an AI assistant, you can generate blog posts, copy caption, and even rewrite or expand existing text. At the same time, it designs suit lets you create a brand visual, edit short form videos, and publish directly to multiple platforms. This makes it especially valuable for creators, marketers, and small teams who want to handle design content without juggling separate apps. However, while Simplify app packed a lot of features, some advanced users feel that its individual tools like video editing or long-form writing aren't as deep as dedicated stand-alone app. Occasionally, lag or large project can even slow down the workflow sometimes. And here's a better conclusion. Simplify AI is a fantastic choice if you want an easy, budget-friendly way to create and manage content in one place, but power users might still prefer a specialized tools for highly advanced project. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.